I used to buy compressed air cans, which were just a waste of money, and they just always ended up freezing stuff, and they were just expensive. But now I have this electric air duster that is much easier to use, much better than consistently buying compressed air cans to dust out my keyboard. And this comes with several things. Let me show you what it comes with before I get into it. This has the actual device itself. When it comes with a nozzle already on it, super easy to use, just a one button operation, and then your mode as well. And then it also has 3 additional, so you have 4 total different nozzles to use, all for their own purposes. As you can see, the different sizes here and different lengths of them. Comes with the charger. It's rechargeable with just a standard USB-A to USB-C charger, so you don't need to ever worry about putting in batteries. And then it comes with a carrying case. Super easy to get all the dust out of your keyboard and other areas. As I said, it's super easy to use. All you gotta do is hit the power button and hold it down for just a second or two. It'll light up and show you that you're ready to go. So there's 3 different modes, mode 1, 2, and 3, and you're able to just hold down the button. It's a powerful little burst here. So when you have it on mode 1 and 2 and it shows you by the light indication on here, it's just a press of one button and it'll stay on, and then you can change the mode again. And there's the lower mode. It's a lot softer breeze. And then when you get to mode 3, then that's when it is the high burst of wind. That is where you hold this down to give the wind. So on modes 1 and 2, it'll just be that constant wind. And then on mode 3 is when you hold it down. So let's show how easy it is to clean out the keyboard. Usually I'll start with just having it with the lower one. And then if I need to, then I can go up to mode 3 and really blast out any air, crumbs, dirt, debris that's in here. You might not be able to see the dust in the video here, but I just have a plethora of dust coming out of my keyboard here. And the great thing is able to put on different attachments just by twisting it off. And then I could put on a longer neck attachment if I needed to, say, get into another area. I mostly use this for my keyboard, but this can be used for so many different types of electronics, so many different areas of life where there might be something where you need to get between or somewhere that's a little bit deeper. This longer nozzle is great for. If you want to get a little more widespread of an area, you can use this wider neck one as well. And then the other 2 ones are just slightly different diameter and just overall shape of them as well. So you got a wide variety of how you can go about using this. To be able to clean up your electronics, and again, so many other uses than just electronics, but my main thing that I use this for is on my keyboards, mouses, and other things that have, this is also great on your phone, the little charger port. You get sand or dirt, dust, debris in there to blow it out instead of using the hot, humid air from your breath. This is just a lot better and safer for electronics. So highly recommend this electric air duster. Thank you to the brand for providing it for me.